Hi everyone. This is a complete travel guide for planning your trip to Sri Lanka. It helps you find the right packages, build your itinerary, and get all the details you need in one place. We'll walk through the key features so you can see how it works. Let's start by exploring the travel packages and experiences available. Let's start by exploring the core travel services, beginning with seamless airport transfers that ensure your Sri Lankan journey starts the moment you land. Notice how this service caters to international travelers with multilingual support, making communication effortless regardless of your native language. Here we can see how easily you can start building your personalized Sri Lanka adventure with their comprehensive planning tools. We've covered the essential travel services available for your Sri Lankan journey. Now, let's explore the specific destinations and adventure activities you can experience across the island. Let's explore the diverse range of destinations available throughout Sri Lanka, each offering unique experiences and attractions. We can see the specially curated featured destinations section, highlighting Sri Lanka's most sought-after travel spots. Each featured destination card provides essential details to help you choose the perfect locations for your Sri Lankan adventure. We've now covered the diverse destinations and adventure activities available across Sri Lanka. Next, we'll explore the premium offerings, including luxury accommodations, wellness retreats, and immersive cultural experiences. Let's explore the premium side of Sri Lankan travel with our luxury experiences section. Here you'll find exclusive offerings like VIP concierge services, private helicopter charters, and luxury yacht experiences, perfect for travelers seeking that extra level of sophistication. We also showcase Sri Lanka's vibrant cultural calendar with our Divine Celebrations section. These festival cards help you time your visit to experience authentic, local celebrations and cultural events. Notice how we break down language barriers. Our multilingual support covers 27 languages, ensuring clear communication throughout your journey. Here's where planning becomes effortless. Our Dream Sri Lanka Adventure section features an integrated quote form for instant trip customization. We're entering the wellness dimension with our Transform Your Wellness section. These wellness and spa retreat options, including authentic Ayurveda healing experiences, cater to travelers seeking rejuvenation and holistic wellness. Let's turn our attention to the island's ecotourism initiatives and visual galleries that showcase its natural beauty. Let's explore our ecotourism offerings, perfect for environmentally conscious travelers. Here you can see our complete range of sustainable travel packages with transparent pricing for each eco-friendly adventure. This beautiful image gallery showcases why Sri Lanka is truly the pearl of the Indian Ocean. Watch as the carousel reveals stunning wildlife experiences, like these magnificent elephants in their natural habitat. And here we see the Northern Legacy, showcasing Sri Lanka's rich cultural heritage and ancient temples that await your discovery. We've seen the ecotourism initiatives and visual galleries that showcase Sri Lanka's natural beauty. Next, we'll dive into the factual guides and travel statistics that help you plan your trip with concrete data. Let's check out the comprehensive timing guide to help you plan the perfect Sri Lankan adventure. Here we have all the essential quick facts you'll need for your trip planning. We can see compelling reasons why Sri Lanka should be your next destination. And here are authentic moments captured from real travelers in Sri Lanka to inspire your journey. Now, let's examine how booking integrations work and what previous travelers have shared in their reviews. As we scroll down, we encounter the compelling call to action that invites visitors to start their Sri Lankan adventure. Here's where the booking becomes effortless. Instant book tours curated directly by TripAdvisor, ensuring quality and reliability. The credibility is impressive. Over 29,000 travelers have already trusted this platform for their Sri Lankan journeys. The booking process is streamlined into just 3 simple steps, making it incredibly user-friendly for travelers. And here's the perfect incentive: a peak season promotion that encourages immediate booking while offering valuable savings. That covers how bookings are integrated and what customers are saying about their experiences. Now, let's explore the FAQs, blog posts, and latest news to gather additional travel insights. Let's explore the comprehensive FAQ section, where all your travel questions are answered in one convenient location. Here, we discover stories from paradise, real traveler experiences, and inspiring blog content to fuel your wanderlust. We can browse through authentic travel stories and insider tips from fellow adventurers who've explored Sri Lanka. The site encourages action with this compelling call to action, making it easy to take the next step toward your Sri Lankan adventure. Finally, we reach the tourism news section, keeping you updated with the latest developments and opportunities in Sri Lankan travel. We've covered the helpful resources available through FAQs, blog posts, and news updates. Let's scroll down to examine the footer section, where additional site information and links are located. Finally, let's explore the comprehensive footer section, which consolidates all essential contact details, complete sitemap navigation, and showcases their prestigious TripAdvisor awards, giving you confidence in their proven track record and making it easy to find any information you need to complete your Sri Lanka travel planning. You've now seen everything from travel packages to the footer details. This guide gives you all the tools to plan your Sri Lanka adventure from start to finish. You're ready to explore.